beaches are jam-packed. Huge territorial males compete for space. It's dangerous for the tiny pups, which weigh just 1/50th of the adult bulls. The aggressive males are only focused on the next challenge. When fights break out, the pups are ignored. In the aftermath, many pups lie injured. Life on the beach is full of danger, but it's no safer in the sea. Orca. Fur seals returning from fishing must run the gauntlet. But these orca are specialists, ramming and tail slapping to stun their prey. And when their victim has been disabled, they drown it. Many pups are left as orphans, but enough will survive to support this now healthy population of northern fur seals.